Reality. Reality. The reality of the project was different from what was initially anticipated, requiring adjustments in the plan. Reasonable. Reasonable. The project manager provided a reasonable explanation for the delay, ensuring stakeholders understood the situation. Receiver. Receiver. The receiver must ensure all requirements are met before accepting the deliverables. Receiving. Receiving. Receiving feedback at key milestones ensures the project aligns with stakeholder needs. Reference. Reference. The project manager referred to the project charter as the key reference for decisions. Referring. Referring. The report is referring to the latest project performance metrics, which highlight areas for improvement. Rejected. Rejected. The change request was rejected as it didn't align with the original scope. Relatedness. Relatedness. The relatedness of the various project tasks is carefully considered to determine the critical path. Remote. Remote. The project team held a remote meeting to discuss the progress of the distributed work streams. Repeated. Repeated. The issue was repeated multiple times during the project, indicating a need for a root cause analysis. Replaced. Replaced. The outdated software was replaced with a more efficient system to improve project performance. Approximation. Approximation. The project timeline is based on an approximation of task durations. Requested. Requested. The client has requested an updated project timeline following the recent changes to the scope. Reserved. Reserved. The budget for unexpected expenses has been reserved in the project's financial plan. Resistant. Resistant. The team is resistant to scope creep and ensures changes are reviewed and approved. Resolved. Resolved. All issues during execution were resolved through collaboration. Returns. Returns. The project's returns are projected to increase after the product launch. Revision. Revision. The team made a revision to the project plan to accommodate the additional resources required. Rhythm. Rhythm. Maintaining a steady rhythm in project work is critical to avoid delays and meet deadlines. Rigor. Rigor. The project manager applied rigor in planning to identify and mitigate risks.